Hey everybody, so glad you joined me today. I just ran in Dollar Tree and found a bunch more new finds other than I shared with you a couple days ago. I want to make sure you get to see them, so I'm going to put this video up as soon as possible. I did not find the cotton stems or the sequin pillows, so at this store at least. So I am still on the hunt just like all of you. I have got to find those cotton stems. I'll tell you the story in the video. If you like videos like these and you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give me a thumbs up. It helps me keep my channel going. And I'd love to hear from you all in the comments of what you liked, what you're looking for, and whatever else you have to say to me. So I'll see you all in the comments, and thank you for watching. I really love this. How nice is this, you guys? I have not seen these. Oh my goodness. I have not seen these. These are awesome. Little window clings. My mom and I buy this stuff and decorate my grandmother's room at the nursing home, and it really brightens her spirits, lifts her spirits, excuse me. Oh my gosh, these are funny. Wait, what are these? Oh, they're big ribbons. These are really nice to do a wreath with. I don't know, you can decorate all sorts of things with this. These are super cute. I like that one. I really like this one. I showed some of this in my last Come Shop With Me. I know it's a little early for this stuff, you guys, but we all know how it is. Oh my god, this is so cute. You gotta get it while you can. This one, always broken. Let me see. I think I have to have one of these. So they have that color, and then there's brown that has more red undertones, or yellow. Which one do we like better, guys? The other store that I go to had this section filled out, and I already showed you guys that. I will link the video above. Look at this. That's really nice. It's really nice. We've seen these. I love this color. Oh, and then here's all those ribbons. Oops, dropped something. Here's those ribbons I showed before, and all of these with the pumpkin. That is so cute. Now, where are those cotton stems? I gotta go look in the back for them. Find the cotton stems. Okay, so what I was saying about the cotton stems is, let me give you my backstory. They have these with the pine cone, but that's not what I'm looking for. I have been wanting the cotton stems for like 2 years, and I went on multiple websites, almost pulled the trigger, but I could not bring myself to spend $15, $20 on a fake flower. So when I saw that Dollar Tree came out with them, I was like, I have to find them. And here I am 2.5 weeks later, I still have not found them. Some of this stuff is so gorgeous though. Those are so cool. They almost feel like silicone, but they're not. And they almost look like silicone. Whoa. I haven't gone down this aisle in a while. These are super cool. Wow. They're neon. These are awesome. And then they have these too. Wow, these are sick. Okay, you guys, just a quick little note. This store does not have the pillows, so if you're going to your stores and you do not see the pillows, don't worry, I'm sure they'll be out. It's just a couple stores, I guess, have gotten them out. Not all of them yet. So, just keep checking back, you guys. This is so soft. I think my little boy would wear the black one if it'll fit him. This one's pretty nice looking. Look at this name brand Goody hair supplies, for lack of a better word. This is what all the teens put on their wrist. I'm gonna try this out since I'm going through a quarter life crisis and I've been dressing in clothes that are not age appropriate. It's like, just kidding, it's not that bad, but this is really cute little collection here. And these are so soft, it's unreal. There's it in a couple different colors. Wow, these seem really strong and thicker than the other ones I've gotten. Ooh, dry shampoo. I've never used dry shampoo from Dollar Tree. And I also just found some leave-in conditioner. I mean, to me, conditioner is conditioner. I'm gonna try some of this out. This is leave-in soothing and leave-in whatever that says. And then a coconut oil hair mask. These little notebooks in my last Come Shop With Me. I got the Good Vibes one. Here are the other ones. I've never seen them before. And I really like this because it's perforated and you can just rip out the sheet if you would like to, because these things are too cute. So it's like got a cutout right here and it's very thick. It says Dream Big. And then this one says Shine Bright. I love them both. And then that's when we say, ladies, don't we always say this? But it's only $1. Only $1. It's caught my eye from all the way from the other side of the store. I will give these a try. Sorry I'm talking in this annoying voice. I'm on my lunch break, okay? I'm trying to get in the groove. It's only Tuesday. Hi. Been asking me for this GIMP stuff for a week and I keep forgetting to pick it up. They do not carry it in Target. They do not carry it in Five Below, but they have it at Dollar Tree. These are cute for a little girl, these little clutches. So that's it for my come shop with me. I hope you saw a lot of things that you liked. And if you like videos like these, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.